Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Diego, your international video producer, sending you good wishes and big smiles from Colombia, South America. Now, if you are an American citizen and you have got your cedula, you've got your M visa to live in Colombia, usually for a year, for a maximum of 3 years. Now, you got to think about the tax implications of living in Colombia. Any foreigner, including Americans, who live, work, or are retired in Colombia are liable for taxes. Oof. Yep, taxes. Double taxation is what you say. Now, the main national taxes are the income tax, the income tax for equality, or the CREE, C-R-E-E, and then the value added tax, and a financial transactions tax. Now, Colombia's tax entity is the National Taxes and Customs Direction, or the DIAN. So the DIAN in Colombia is the equivalent to the IRS in the United States. The fiscal year in Colombia runs from January 1st until 31 December. And the tax returns are submitted in August according to a schedule of dates based on your resident ID number or your cedula. Now, I am not a tax attorney. I am not an immigration attorney. I am a person that is giving you information from personal experience to help you. Because I know you just want to come to Colombia and explore this beautiful country, but you got to do it legally. Now, income tax. Americans who reside in Colombia for less than 6 months or 183 days, including departure and arrival days, are considered non-residents. They are taxed only on income they have earned in Colombia, which will not apply to you if you have a retirement visa, because with a retirement visa or an M visa, you are not allowed to work in Colombia. You are allowed to retire. So those folks are non-residents and they pay a flat tax of 35% regardless of income level. Now that could change. That's as of April 2022. Now, if you live in Colombia, if you reside in Colombia more than 183 days, you are taxed on all your income, regardless of country of origin. So if you have Social Security income, you have Navy or military retirement income, you are taxed on it. And regardless of country of origin. And income tax rates vary based on individual income. Check with a tax accountant in Colombia to make sure you do it right. Google pay taxes in Colombia. Google tax accountant Colombia. It's very simple. Okay. Now, VAT is a value added tax on sales of imported goods and services, and they are taxed at 19% as of now. That could change. Income tax for equality, or CREE, is a temporary special tax levied on taxpayers with profits above 800 million Colombian pesos. So if you are a business entrepreneur and you made more than 800 million pesos, you're gonna get hit with a CREE tax. And that rate is variable each year. There's a financial transaction tax. Well, I'm sure that will not apply to you as a retiree unless you are dealing with real estate and you transfer huge amounts of money from the United States to Colombia to buy a house to retire in. You might get hit with a financial transaction tax. And each withdrawal, okay, so you have your cedula, you've got your permission slip to live in Colombia for a year, 2 years, maximum of 3 years, and you open up a bank account with your cedula. Now, each withdrawal from a checking, savings, or deposit account is subject to taxation. This also applies to cashier's checks. So when you go to the bank and you withdraw some money to pay your rent, you're going to get taxed on it. Double taxation. Most expats will be taxed on both Colombian and American passport on Colombian income that you've earned. So if you're a retiree, this doesn't apply to you. Those subject to double taxation should check with their home country's tax entity to see if they are able to offset any taxes on money earned in Colombia. Colombia currently has a double taxation exemption agreement with Bolivia, Canada, Chile, Ecuador, India, Mexico, Peru, Portugal, South Korea, Spain, and Switzerland. So if you are from any of those countries and you are making money in Colombia, there may be some exemptions for you. I hope this was helpful. I'm not a tax attorney, but if you are an expat and you have a cedula and you live in Colombia greater than 183 days, you will be taxed on your income and on your property. If you own a house in Arkansas, you will be taxed on it. It's a global tax. See you in Colombia.